In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create animated scrolling logos in Squarespace. Animated scrolling logos are a fantastic way to add a professional touch to your website, making it visually engaging and dynamic. Whether you're showcasing brand partnerships, client logos, or simply enhancing your design, this feature can leave a lasting impression. And the best part, it's simple to set up. So let's dive right in and get started. First, log into your Squarespace account and head over to your dashboard. This is the hub where all your websites are listed. From here, you'll be able to access and manage your sites. If you don't already have a Squarespace account, feel free to use the link in the description to sign up and follow along. Next, click on the website you want to update. Now, if you manage multiple websites, make sure to double check that you've selected the correct one. This will ensure you're making changes to the appropriate site. Once you're on the correct site, navigate to the Pages section in the navigation menu. This is where you control the structure of your site and decide where to place the animated logo scroller. It's essentially the blueprint of your website, so everything starts here. Now, locate and click on the Settings menu, and from there, find the option for Custom Code. Depending on your Squarespace version, this might be labeled slightly differently. For example, if custom code isn't immediately visible, explore the menu until you find Custom CSS. Take your time here. It's important to ensure you're in the right place. Once you've accessed the Custom CSS section, click into the text box and paste the prepared CSS code for the animated scrolling logos. This code is what powers the scrolling animation and integrates it into your site. Make sure the code you're using is designed specifically for horizontal scrolling and matches your site's overall design style. If you don't have a CSS code handy, you'll need to find or create one that suits your needs before continuing. After pasting the code, look for the Save button in the top right corner of the Custom CSS box and click it. This step is essential to apply your changes. Without saving, your work won't be implemented and you'll risk losing what you've done so far. Now return to the page editor by clicking on it, and then select the Edit option at the top of the page. This will allow you to modify the content on your page and make real-time adjustments. Here's where the fun begins. Add a new section to the page. Think about where you want the scrolling logos to appear. For the best visibility, consider placing it in a prominent location, such as directly below your site's header or just above the footer. Once you've added your new section, select the Images option as the section type. Scroll through the available section styles until you find one specifically designed for animated scrolling images. Squarespace provides several layout options, so take a moment to find the one that works best for your site's aesthetic. After selecting the Animated Scrolling Images feature, you may notice that Squarespace populates the section with default stock images. Don't worry, this is completely normal. Click on the Edit Gallery option to customize this section. You'll want to delete the default images to create a blank slate for your own logos. Now it's time to upload your logos. Choose the logos you want to display in the scroller and ensure they're all similarly sized. For a polished look, use web-friendly formats like PNG or SVG. Consistency here is key to making the animation flow seamlessly. Once your logos are uploaded, close the gallery editor. Then in the page editor, click Save and Exit. This step locks in your changes and finalizes the new section on your page. Finally, preview your site to confirm that the animated scrolling logo section is working as intended. Take a moment to check the scrolling animation and ensure everything looks cohesive. This final review helps you verify that the feature is both functional and visually aligned with your site's overall design. And there you have it. You've successfully added animated scrolling logos to your Squarespace website. This simple but effective feature can elevate your site's professionalism and leave a strong impression on your visitors. If you enjoyed this tutorial or have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts or help out with any issues. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.